Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. It's a hybrid car right for you. That's our subject we're going to talk about today. So please remember subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos. Hit the thumbs up icon if you like the video and help me out a little bit. Today we're going to talk about, in general, the hybrid pros and cons. So it's a big topic, I guess. Today I do have my 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid Touring Lunar Silver Metallic. This is the hybrid one, but they also come in the other regular gasoline versions as well. So you actually could purchase it in the gasoline or the hybrid if you really wanted to. Alright, so the hybrid pros and cons. Alright, the pros is it saves gas. The range is a lot longer for the hybrid. So you get the hybrid drive. All you're gonna hear in the hybrid is very quiet tire noise, cruising down the hill, or something like that. So it also saves you a lot of gas because the engine's not on. So that leads to the next thing. When the engine's not on, it doesn't need service that often, so less maintenance, okay? And also less brake wear as well. So your brakes, you're doing the regen before it really uses the brakes to stop the vehicle. So you're actually saving the brakes quite a bit too. So that's another maintenance item. Also, it holds value in some cases. I'm not going to say for all, because I don't know how the future is going to be. In general, the hybrids hold the value pretty good over time. Okay. And also on some models of the hybrids, like the Clarity plug-in hybrid or the Prius plug-in hybrid, just to name a few, you actually do get tax credit, from the government, and also maybe your state, depending where you live, of course. If you live in certain states like California, you definitely do get tax credit. Emission in some states are not required because it's a hybrid. So that's the savings already, and could be a hassle, I guess, to do emission. So rather not do it, but they require it. So this is a look at the engine bay of my vehicle as well. So you notice the engine for hybrid, they do have an engine and also a battery system. Okay, the battery for the hybrid on the core, for example, is on the second row seats. All right, it's in the back. So that's the layout's different. Okay, so you can take a look at the interior. It looks like a regular car in most cases. Most of the hybrids out there are very much similar to regular cars nowadays. Okay, let's talk about the cons of having a hybrid. All right, as we step inside, the hybrid is not a performance car. It's not going to be very fast overall. It's just going to be like a, regular car, normal car, I would say, right? But you do get the advantage of saving money, okay? It's not a handling car, not a sports car, definitely. 0 to 60 times won't win you any awards, okay? But see, it has all the normal functions of a car, okay? So that's the con that you have to accept. When I said the price is a little bit more compared to a conventional car, like this car, I have the Core. If I got a Core 4-cylinder, for example, right, I had to pay a few thousand or so more just to get the hybrid. In my case, it actually is worth it. But depending on the manufacturer, they may raise the price for the hybrids. Pretty much you're paying for your gasoline ahead of time. Think of it that way. So if you pay too much, it's going to take a long time before you recover the costs of the gas that you're going to save. And assuming the gas prices are not too high, not too low, it's going to take even longer. If the gas prices are high, a hybrid or electric car definitely gets you a faster recovery time of your investment. Okay, return on investment. All right, maintenance. There's a lot of myths and stuff like that I would see about the battery and the cost of the batteries for replacing. I'm talking about the batteries on your second row seats in the back. All right, or you could say from the back. the vehicle, not the front. The front is, it still has the regular the regular battery for the car overall. So the cost of that, see, the battery is like behind, it's right in the middle of the seats, it's under the seats, okay? The trunk space is like normal nowadays for most hybrids, okay? Especially like the Core I'm showing you right here. So the battery is under the seat, so save space and they're smaller and more efficient. I have a lithium ion here, so different brands may have different ones, like nickel cadmium for say Toyota, for example, for the Camry, okay? So that's something that you want to look at. So overall, the cons are, there's some cons, and the price of batteries could be quite a few $1,000s if you, over certain mileage. But there is a warranty built into the purchase of the new vehicle when you purchase like a hybrid, right? So you should be covered, should be okay overall. So, and again, the hybrid price, you have to pay for that. That's a lot of questions on that. That's why a lot of people aren't going into hybrids. Performance, another thing, and maintenance. But overall, I mean, you're gonna save a lot of money on gas if you drive a lot. If you drive a lot of short distance, this is not the vehicle for you. If you drive a lot of long distance, long commutes, hybrid is something that you want to look at. Okay, if you're just going to the corner store or a few blocks away, you're not gonna save a lot of money on hybrid. And also in cold weather, you're not going to get a lot of great mileage. Probably on warmer weather, you're going to get better mileage. So that's what I have. Hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, please. Thank you. Please subscribe for more video as well. And see you next time. Bye.